The old weather observations, in terms of their value to us in climate science, can't be understated. We're seeing these amazing sets of observations that were taken quite often under very arduous conditions, and we're bringing them forward in time. We cannot go back. We don't have a time machine. This is our time machine. There's a huge variety that we see in the handwriting across these tabulated weather forms. As you can see on the example behind me, some of it can be chicken scratches. What we want to do is take out that guesswork in terms of, is this a 6, is this a 4, is this a 9, and do it objectively using AI. Microsoft has been fantastic to be involved with because we know that they have a huge history in developing bespoke software that creates solutions for the problems that we have.
It's really exciting for us. We have the Microsoft Cloud Platform using the AI knowledge mining solution. Within that we have Azure Search and Cognitive Services.
How computers know what the numbers are is they use visual relationships. Things like geometry of a loop connected to a line extending down from it to tell you that it's a 9. And there are 65,000 examples across the alphabet plus numbers that are used for that training.
We take the data that an army of citizen scientists have already verified 10 times over, and NIWA has verified, for us to be able to train that model and for it to learn consistently and ongoing.
And we think that the millions of observations that we have in NIWA's archive, we can greatly augment that training library. NIWA and New Zealand have a special role to play because we sit down here on the bottom of the Earth, in and next to the wheelhouse of some very important components of the global climate system. Digitizing these valuable weather observations will help to put a context and a framework around extreme events like the 1939 snowfall that started in the south and went all the way up to Cape Reinga, which are akin to some of the southern parts of the United States, like Southern California. The goals for this project are to understand the week it snowed everywhere. Was that the last vestige of something different, a different climate that we left behind? Or was this the first vestige of climate change really impacting our region? Helping to contextualize those events of the past will help us better place a context around future scenarios.
One of the big problems that climate scientists like Drew face is the sheer volume of inaccessible data that they have sitting in those warehouses and archives. But that data is useless until you can actually scan, store, sort and search it.
It would be absolutely amazing if we could streamline the photographic capture, streamline the divisions, and to rapidly transcribe them. What we're currently managing to do is about on the order of 100 to 300 forms per day. It would be absolutely amazing if we could get to the point of doing 3,000 pages a day. We can get together on this issue of AI and handwriting transcription to make something really powerful and really applicable for the wider, not only climate science community, but the data science community across Earth.